Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question, question 51. Payment made through petty cashier is referred to as dash payment. A. Bank, B. Cash, C. Check, D. Draft, and E. Part payment. So the question says payment made through petty cashier, that is payment made by what? By giving what? Money, which is a legal tender. That is a petty cashier. Small amount of money is referred to as dash payment. Now A says bank payment. Now bank payment involves the use of banknotes. It involves the use of banknotes which are portable and generally accepted. Which are portable and generally accepted as a means of payment. Because they have the same status of legal tender. Because they have the same status of legal tender, which is money. That's for bank payment. So bank payment involves the use of what? Banknotes. Now B here says what? Cash payments. Now cash payment is the payment done by paying raw money. This is done by paying raw money, which is a legal tender. Like we know, money is a legal tender, which is a legal tender. Now cash payment is used to settle what? Small transaction. It is used to settle small transaction. Now option C here says what? Check. Now check is an unconditional order drawn upon a specified bank. An unconditional order drawn upon a specified bank. That is, each bank has its own what? Check. Specified banker signed by the money maker, directing the banker to pay on demand. So drawn upon a specified banker, signed by the maker. That is, this check must be signed by the maker. Signed by the maker. Now directing the banker to pay on demand. Directing the banker to pay on demand. To pay on demand a certain sum of money only to the order of a person. A certain sum of money only to the order of the words of the person. Now this is draft. Now draft is a check that is drawn from bank funds. It's also a check drawn from bank funds, and it refers to what? An automatic transfer from your bank account to a service provider. So draft simply refers to what? It also refers to as an automatic transfer. Automatic transfer from your account to a service provider. Now option E says part payments. Part payment simply means what? Paying what? Part of a money. That is, the money is not, or the payment is not what? A full payment. It is not a full payment. Just part of this payment is paid, and then later the other part will be what? Will be paid. Now the question says payment made through a petty cashier. Now I want you to understand that what? Petty cashiers are what? Are small what? Small transactions. Petty cashier what? Payments are small transactions, and this involves the use of what? The use of raw money. The use of raw money, which is a legal tender. Now you agree with me that what? B here, cash payment, is the answer to this question, because cash payment is done by paying raw money, which is a legal tender, and it usually used to settle what small transaction. And like transaction involving a petty cashier is a small transaction, and it involves the use of what raw cash, raw money. So the answer to this question is option B, cash payments. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.